It's legitimately quite hilarious.
It's very funny. It's almost too inappropriate for a school to do.
Almost.
It's really uncomfortable and wonderful.
Lots of people get naked, so if you're into that kind of thing. Lots of people get hurt, so if you're into that kind of thing.
Attractive people in their underwear.
It's really just something for everyone.
You want to see Annie in lingerie? You want to see me without a shirt on? Boy, without pants on. Frederick without pants on. Selsden without pants on.
And that's why you should come see Noises Off.